Supply costs are a different animal than labor. Each department will have a different set of supply costs. So an ancillary department will be different than a nursing department, will be different than an operating room, will be different than the emergency department. So the managers have to understand what is causing the largest cost, what are the largest cost elements for each department, and focus on them. It could be that the top 3 line items make up 80% of their costs. So if they focus on those line items, and again, making sure that they hit the goals that were set, they have a much greater opportunity to help hit the bottom lines that they're looking for. Well, the balance sheet is a sheet that is not often exposed as much to the managers, but I believe it should be, particularly because of 2 items, the cash item as well as the capital item, the property, plant, and equipment that is being issued to the management for that department. So managers should be aware of the cash that's involved in the hospital's operation and should know the levels that the cash is at, because managers, through the use of their own bottom line focus in their departments, can improve the hospital's cash. That would be why they need to know where the cash is against the hospital's own goals. And as far as the property, plant, and equipment, they are the ones who are asking for, requesting, and using these equipment items. They cost a lot of money, they involve depreciation expense. So managers should know what kind of levels the property, plant, and equipment are at, and then know it also for their own department, and make sure that they're asking, requesting for the right amount of items, and making sure that they are using them in the most effective way. The biggest impact they can have is to understand the variable cost of their own patients at the various ICD and DRG levels. For that you need cost accounting and patient analytics reporting, which the physician should be paying attention to their own sets of variable costs per ICD, per DRG, and compare it against their peers. Where they are compared to their peers will give them a lot of information that they never had before, and give them the opportunity to perhaps improve their variable cost per case.